Beef finger party ribs are on the menu today, sports fans. Let's take a look at how we made these. All right, folks, we've got a nice 2-pack of some awesome beef back ribs, beef finger ribs, whatever you want to call them. This pack weighs about 6.5 pounds. I'm going to get them out the package and dry it off real quick. They're not as pretty as they look in the package. We've got some major shiners. I'm not going to cook both of these racks. I think what I'm going to do is take the best from each and I'll save the others for something else. Membrane is on. I'm going to take it off. And I think we're going to roll with these. One rub today, folks. Roll Cooker's brisket rub. Love this color. Large granules, heavy crack. I want to get all those sides. All right, we'll give these a few minutes to sweat in while we go get our Traeger preheated. All right, folks, we are preheated to 275, and we're rocking that awesome smoking pecan. 100% pecan. Smokes really well, even at high temperatures. You're going to want to get you some of this. Oh, this smells great. I can really smell those pecan pellets. Make sure everybody got a little room in between them. This is a very simple cook as usual, folks. We'll be back out here in about 2 hours to see where we are. Approaching 2 hours and 15 minutes. We're getting ready to braise these ribs for a little bit. I've got some bell peppers, onions, and some garlic into a pot. I love this TX Oil Dust Brandin oil. It's a barbecue sauce that's really good on beef. It's not very sweet. It's a little thinner than your traditional barbecue sauce. I don't measure. A little beef stock. I think that's going to be enough. And another shake of our rub that we put on those ribs. We're going to heat this up and I will meet you outside at the grill. 2 hours, 20 minutes. Oh, that's beautiful color. They feel nice. So we're just going to braise these for hopefully about half an hour to 45 minutes or so. Won't be very long. Man, that pecan puts a beautiful color on these. All right, we don't want to lose a whole lot of heat. So in with that mixture. And we're back on the grill. I'm going to crank this to 300 and we'll check on these in about 45 minutes. All right, 3.5 hours, folks. We're getting ready to go pull these ribs and sauce them. Back with my oil dust Brandin iron. To that sauce, I'm going to add just a little chopped red bell pepper for some color. I'm going to heat this up while we go get those ribs. Oh, we are ready to go. All right, let's go get these sauced, and we'll be right back out here. All right, our sauce is nice and hot. And we're just going to gently toss these, make sure that everything is nicely covered with this oil dust. Yes, ma'am. And we're back outside. All right, we're going to give these about a good 10 minutes and we'll pull them. All right, folks, we've given these about 10 minutes. And man, those are absolutely beautiful. Woo, this one's coming apart. It's a party in your mouth. All right, sports fans, we've given these a few minutes to cool down, man. Looked absolutely spectacular. Let's go right here. Oh, they're just ready to come off of here. Wow. Mama. Folks, that Brandin oil is spectacular on beef, man. If we were still competing, I'd be using it. Wow. Such a simple cook. Right here. This gets the job done, color and taste. Look in the description box. We'll put a link to this. Help us out. Order you a box or two. We will really appreciate the support. This will get the job done. I want to thank you guys and gals, as usual, for hanging out with Mama and Papa Joe. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. Like always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla.